Assalamu alaikum. We are going to present about human resources.
Introduction to Human Resource. Human resource is the strategy approved to the effective management of people in a company or organization that help their business gain a competitive advantage. Their job is finding, screening, recruiting, and training job applicants as well as administering employee benefit program. Human resource management involves overseeing all things related to managing an organization's human capital. Human resource management means management of people at work. Human resource management is the process which bind people with organization and help both people and the organization to achieve each other goals.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmad Shah. I'm going to present about function of human resource. There is 5 core functions of human resource. The first is staffing. This includes the activity of hiring new full-time or part-time employee, hiring contractor, and terminating employee contract. The second is development. Onboarding new employee and providing resources for continued development is a key investment for organization, and HR is charged with maintaining a developmental approach to existing human resource. The third is compensation. Salary and benefit are also within the scope of HR management. This includes identifying appropriate compensation based on role, performance, and legal requirement. The next is safety and health. Achieving best practices in various industries include careful considering of safety and health concerns for employees. The final is employee and labor relation. Defending employee rights, coordinating with unions, and mediating disagreements within the organization and its human resource is also a core of HR function.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hakim Arif bin Hasnan. So today I'm gonna talk about roles and responsibility of HR. The first one is advocate. Advocate is important in the work environment because we have to always advocate the employees to make sure they are energetic and have the will to do the works. And the next one is participate in planning and development. So every HR in the company have to participate with this because it is important to plan to avoid the loss and make sure that development will happen every day. And the next one is provide employees with career assistance. We have to provide our employees so that they will become a better employees. And the next one is find and recruit employees that advance company objective. So this is one of the most important because we have to find the perfect employees so that they will do the work with wholeheartedly. They will really struggle to make sure that the company will achieve the target. And the next one is HR will ensure that there will be no cyberbullying at work because this will make the worker stress, and we have to avoid this from happen because cyberbullying may lead to suicide. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazhan bin Amri. I would like to talk about skill HR must have. First of all is communication skill. As an HR practitioner, you must be able to express yourself clearly, both in oral and written communication. The human resource field requires a lot of talking as the team is in charge of requirement that entails a series of interviews. Next is organization skill. HR entails a lot of functions including, but not limited to requirement, training, performance appraisal, individual development plans, and employee relations. An HR manager oversees all the functions and must have a systematic way of going through all the process. Third is decision making skill. There is a lot of decision making involved in HR. One example is during the requirement process where they have to decide whether an applicant is the right fit for the role or not. Recognizing good talent is not something you can easily learn. It requires strategy, experience, and intuition. This is something an HR manager must have. Fourth is training and development skill. Another function of human resource is training and development. HR managers are responsible for giving employees development opportunities in order to maximize performance and increase value. Last but not least is budgeting skill. Compensation and benefits are go through HR. The same goes with training and development, social activities, performance appraisal, and other. These activities have to be incorporated into their organization strategic planning and budgeting, taking into account each department project and their individual function. The primary role of the HR manager is to spend expenditure and not overspend on unnecessary activities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next is human resources planning process. Human resources planning HRP ensure the best fit between employees and job while avoiding manpower shortages and surplus. There are 4 key steps to the HRP process. They include analyzing present labor supply, forecasting labor demand, balancing labor demand with supply, and developing and implementing a plan. The first step of human resource planning is to identify the company's current human resources supply. In this step, the HR department study the strength of the organization based on the number of employees, their skill, qualification, position, benefit, and performance levels. Forecasting labor demand. Forecasting labor demand requires the company to outline the future of its workforce. Here, the HR department can consider certain issues like promotion, retirement, layoff, and transfer, which is anything that factors into the future needs of a company. The next step is balancing labor demand with supply. The third step in the HRP process is forecasting the employment demand. HR department creates a gap analysis that lays out specific need to narrow the supply of the company's level versus future demand. And the last step is developing and implementing a plan. The answer to questions from the gap analysis help HR determine how to proceed, which is the final phase of the HRP process. HR must now take the practical step to integrate its plan with the rest of the company. The department needs a budget, the ability to implement the plan, and a collaborative effort with all departments to execute the plan.
That's all from us. Thank you. You can spell hero without HR. Someone 2020.